Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I do. I'm going to be making some candles today. So I've already measured out my wax. I have like 2 pounds here, and I'm going to be using my new tins. They hold 14.2 ounces of wax, so I'm going to be making false scents, and today I'm making gingerbread candles. So if you would like one, you can check out my Instagram page, which is HS_vinyl_creations, because I'm not on Facebook that much. So that's how the inside looks. And these, I do 3 wicks on so that they burn properly. So I'm going to wick my candles, and then I'll show you my wax. I use a double boiler method when melting my wax. And I'm using my new wax that I got in the mail yesterday. My free wax, I should say. And it's the soybeans. And it's organic. So I'm going to be using it today. And it melts. It melts different than mine that I normally use. This one I have to melt at 160 and then add my fragrance and pour. So I'm going to be making gingerbread candles today. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have my tins wicked, and I am melting my wax. I'm melting my wax, but as you can see, it's all stuck together. So far, I do not like this new wax. The flakes work better so far. Here's how my candle turned out. I also made my decals to put on it. Okay, so this is the process I used for my candles. I finally got my wicks to stand straight. It's a little difficult when you're using 3 wicks like that, because my metal slabs that I use to hold my wicks don't quite reach that far, because they're only like this big. But if you would like to order a candle or like to try it, I do have wax melts that I have samples in bowls that I can ship to you if you want a sample. I'm also about to start making silicone molds, so they're going to be shaped, and I'm going to start selling those. Also, if you want a candle, you can check out my Etsy page. It's HS Vinyl Creations. I also have Instagram, which is HS_vinyl_creations. You can message me on there. I do have an eBay shop, but I'm about done with eBay. I'm in the works of making me a website for my stuff. I'm in the process of trying to get a website up and going, so then I can give you that link in the description for my website. Let's see. I also have a Facebook page. It's HS Vinyl Creations. I'm not on Facebook that much, but I'm going to try and start selling stuff off of Facebook. So that page is HS Vinyl Creations for my stuff that I do. I'm also making card diffusers. So if you want a card diffuser, you can leave me a comment, or you can email me at hsvinylcreations@gmail.com. They smell amazing too. I can make quite a few scents. I have a bunch of scents, but the ones I have right now is Orchard and Sea Salt, Chardonnay, and then I'm about to make a batch of Dead Sea, and it's kind of like a Swedish black ice scented. So I will post a picture of what my card diffusers look like. I'm rocking the Chardonnay right now. I've done refilled it. So if you want one, leave me a comment, email me, reach out to me on social media, Instagram, however you want to get a hold of me. And I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.